So I'm going to be playing with some jiggly slime. I also have a sandy slime bucket to play with as well. It is a task to get these back in here. Sometimes. That was actually really easy that time. Try out this bucket real quick because this is actually really cool. So it's just the sandy slime bucket. You stretch it, mold it. It's 2 pounds of slime. Whoa. Kind of reminds me of like cloud slime almost, the way it drizzles. Let's see if you can stretch it like slime. Oh. Okay. It's like crumbly, but it's coming together. It's actually super nice. That's like reminding me so much of cloud slime right now. Oops. I'll move this that way a little bit so it's not in my way. I'm going to try that drizzle again because that was pretty cool. And I've never had cloud slime before. I've never tried it out, but I have, seen it obviously. I don't know if it feels like this, but it does look like drizzly, like a cloud slime. And it's purple. It's a really nice lilac purple. Doesn't look like lilac in the camera for some reason. But this is actually super nice. It's soft. It does give you a lot of residue. But that also could be because I was playing with these and they have a little bit of a wetness to them. So it'd just be sticking to me because of that. Sorry if you hear my daughter in the background. Alright, so that's my review of that. I actually really like this and I would really suggest both of these. If you like jiggly slime, I would definitely go get, I don't know what these are actually called. They came in like a little 6-pack. I believe they were from Walmart. And then these, I would really recommend the sand slime. But if you like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe, and you can turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post a video, which I'm going to try and be posting every Sunday. It didn't really happen this time because I was busy, but yeah, if you would, just subscribe to me if you want, and yeah, y'all have a nice day. Bye, love you guys.